Want to remove your likes on Instagram? Here's how to do it the right way. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Now, tap the three lines in the top right corner. From the menu, select your activity. Here, tap on Likes. Now you'll see all the posts you've liked on Instagram. You can sort them by newest to oldest, or even filter by date and content type. To remove likes, tap on Select in the top right. Now, choose the posts you want to unlike. After selecting, tap Unlike at the bottom. Confirm if needed, and those likes will be removed. Instagram does not currently allow you to remove all likes at once. You have to select posts manually. You can select multiple posts at the same time to speed things up. And that's how you delete your likes on Instagram.